Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about how to read different types of input values from the user in C# application. C# means what? The .NET programming. In that basic console applications, how to read input from user. See, if you want to display the messages in console class, WriteLine method is there. This method is for printing the input. Let me show you the example. I'm using one online compiler. In online compiler, I'm just writing codes. Console.ReadLine I'm using. Any message you can give. The messages we are representing with a double quotes because a string. I'm executing this code. When you run the code, you will get the output. This is for what? Printing the messages. Now, if I want to read the input, reading the input, how to read input. Just like a console.WriteLine, console.readLine method is there. It is for reading string from the user. Only string it will read. Let me show you with one example. First, I'm asking like this. Enter your name. Enter your name. Then here it is. Reading that name, how to read console.readLine, and that we are collecting into string type variable and printing. With any message, if you want to print console.writeline, hello, that name I am printing, name. When you are executing the code, first it is expecting the name from you. I'm giving that Amar. The message you will get is a hello Amar. The message you will get hello, and the name what you enter will be concatenated here, and it is giving like this. Sir, I just want to read integer to perform the addition operation. Okay. Suppose if we read like this, enter first number. Enter first number. Here one problem you will face. Int we are collecting into X. Next we are asking one more. Console.WriteLine. Enter second number. Enter second number. Int y equals to console.readLine. See here, it is showing errors automatically. If you want to add them and if you want to print them, before that you are getting error messages. What are the error messages? Readline method always takes string as an input that you cannot convert directly into integer. How to convert means int dot parse. One method is there. That is the conversion method to convert that string into integer. Same story here also. Int dot parse. And whatever you are reading from the user, you have to convert like this. You have to convert. Then only you can perform the addition operation. Here more clearly, if you want to write, int sum is equals to x plus y, printing that sum value. This is what reading the two numbers and printing them. When you are executing the code, something is expecting. Just check. Yeah. 12, 34. You are getting the output is a 46. With a message, if you want to display more clearly, sum equal to sum. Then you are getting that clearly. 45 and 89. Output is 134. Anything you can read like this. Sir, I just want to read a decimal value. For example, enter person height. Enter person height. Console.ReadLine. I just want to convert into decimal. You know that decimal is a double. Decimal is double. So giving the message, height of the person is, height is printing that X value. Whatever the height you enter, right, that will be converted automatically into double type. Suppose here it is a 7.2 is giving that height is 7.2. Sir, person name and person height I want to read. So first read console.WriteLine, enter name of the person. How to read? String name equal to console.readLine. This is reading the name and this is reading the height. Before that, I am giving like this. The name, person, height is so and so. What will happen? First, the name, what you read will print here. Next, your message height is. Next, what is the height you are reading here? It will display. Sir, I want to change the variable name X to height or H. Yes, you can change. Here it is the same variable you need to specify. Enter name, for example, Amar. Enter height 5.8. Look at this. Clearly, it is showing that in place of name, it is giving this name. Height is in place of height, it is giving this height. Is giving that name as well as height. Only one thing you need to understand. If you want to read a character, console.read. First, I'm asking enter character. Enter character. Just how to read the character. Console.readLine. Read line. Next, read line will read the string. From the string, 0th location index character I want to read. So square brackets of 0. Like that, you need to specify character and we are printing. Simply, if you want to print console.WriteLine, the character is CH. You can print that character. Only single character we give, X. Character is X. Now you can check the character is alphabet or not, the character is oval or not, the character is symbol or not. These kind of questions you can write. Right? See, practice n number of examples. All these examples practice. Read the number and check even or not. Next one, read 3 numbers and check biggest of the 3. Biggest of the 3. Next one, read character and check alphabet or not. Next one, read character and check oval or not. Next one, read employee details and print. What are the employee details? Employee ID, employee name, employee salary. 3 things you have to read. Next, in the same way, read student details and print. Student details means what? Student name. Next one is a student course and what is the course fee. So not only that, for example, read the number and check prime number or not. Right? If you are good at logical programming, After learning the concept, you please try these examples to become strong in reading the input values in C#. Hope you understood. Please practice.